In 3 different studies, our experts here at Principled Technologies found that adding Intel Optane persistent memory to Dell EMC PowerEdge servers, powered by 2nd-generation Intel Xeon scalable processors, could benefit your business. In our first study, we compared the VDI performance of 3 PowerEdge solutions: an R740XD with Intel Optane persistent memory, an R740XD without Optane persistent memory, and a legacy R730XD. The R740XD, powered with Optane persistent memory, supported more than twice the VDI users in our demanding high-memory test scenario compared to the same server without Optane persistent memory, and over 3 times as many as the legacy server. The addition of Optane persistent memory also enabled the R740XD to make better use of its resources. Important because leaving CPU on the table, like the R730XD did, is wasteful. And oversaturating your memory, like the R740XD without Optane did, can cause frustrating slowdowns. In our second study, we found that adding Intel Optane persistent memory to a PowerEdge R940 substantially increased the total amount of available memory. This increase enabled the server to support over 2.5 times more VMs with large databases and memory footprints, allowing for greater consolidation. Databases are the backbone of modern business, so getting more value out of your hardware and software infrastructure helps you make the most of your investment. In our third study, a Dell EMC PowerEdge R740XD server with Intel Optane persistent memory handled more transactions per minute than the same system with either NAND flash NVMe drives or SATA SSDs. These transactional database performance gains mean your organization could handle greater customer demand with ease. In all 3 studies, our test results suggest that adding Intel Optane persistent memory to Dell EMC PowerEdge servers can help maximize data center efficiency. More memory, more users, more databases, more transactions, and more value await businesses that invest in this server technology from Dell EMC and Intel.